Hi there, and welcome to BSF Recovery Team. We're down here at Dresser, Trollhog and Scaria, last work weekend before the big memorial event put on by the Minnesota Go Four Wheelers. Of course, by the time you see this, it'll be Memorial Weekend. Lots of work's happening out in the woods. Remember all them culverts that we hauled out in the woods? Well, let's go see what they're doing with them.
Well, no culverts here, but we do have a dozer pushing sand up one of the steep sand hills. He'll push a whole bunch of sand all the way up to the top, leave it nice and fluffy for everybody. Even though it's kind of cool to watch a dozer work, let's go find some of those culverts and see what they did with them. I'm told there's a brand new obstacle out here somewhere that was built with them.
Well, should we try out the new locker? We got to see how deep some of these mud holes are, so I know if I can tow through them. So we got the locker on. Let's see if we can get through. Like I say, I want to know if I can come through with one on the hook. Well, I got through, but I'm not sure if we could get through with one on the hook. Depends on how much it rains or if it dries up a little.
Well, we got to stop and check out what we got going on here.
Well, it looks like Scuba's hard at work with the Hitachi and the thumb, reworking the boulders here on Eliminator. We'll see what that obstacle turns out to be like for Memorial. amazing at how just a few years all these big boulders end up down at the bottom of the hill and buried. Every couple years we come in with a machine like this and put them back up on the hill to play on.
Alright, we'll let scuba work. Now let's go see if we can find that brand new obstacle.
So, a bunch of those culverts that we hauled out here turned into a brand new obstacle for this year. And it's called COVID-19. Should we go take a look? The entrance is down here, and it goes up over this hill and comes down, back down over there. So it's not just an uphill obstacle, it's an up and down. Let's go take a look. So here's the beginning of it. We got some boulders, some culverts put in there, all kinds of different ways. Goes up over the hill, and back down way over there. I'm not even sure if I want to try and walk it. But I suppose you guys are dying to see, so am I. Gets pretty steep right here. It gets steep again. Depends on how this turns out. We might have to be making some tow truck access points to this obstacle. Because if we get a broken one in the middle, it might pose a problem. Looks like there's a bunch of clay underneath the black dirt. Oh boy. Yeah, we might be cutting some new accesses to this one. All I know is I hope one doesn't break up here on the top. That'll be an all-day chore getting them out of here. Well, if they make it this far, there's one escape route.
Wow.
Be interesting to see after some traffic what this obstacle turns out to be. We'll have to keep you updated on that. I suppose by now some of you are dying to know what trail this new obstacle is on. Well, I'll tell you, it's on the white trail, but I'm not going to tell you where. Well, we're just out here checking the trails and seeing how the equipment's doing on enhancing the obstacles and taking the bypasses. And well, because of some week-long rain that we had, guess what? The trail team got stuck.
When you have to work on my Jeep to replace the parts, I really want it to be muddy under there. You know, I want to add another thing to my life.
You want it to be dirty when I fix it?
Yeah, yep.
Why am I not surprised? Helping out.
I want to go to Colbert. Wow! Don't drop it in the mud. Pretty soon she's be driving your tow truck.
Gotta be able to reach the pedals first and see over the dash at the same time.
Thank you, baby seat cover.
So guys, remember some of those culverts that we hauled out here? Well, they're waiting for Scuba to get here and Thad with the two Hitachis, and they're going to do up minimum maintenance here. As you can see, it's been worn down a little bit. A lot of traffic on it over the years. So we're going to make it a harder obstacle again. They'll be here in a little while. We'll check back and see how they're doing in a little bit. Meanwhile, we have to go inspect the toll bridge to make sure that that's safe for vehicles to cross. Alright, well here's the toll bridge. Well, let's just see if the wrecker will go across. Don't wake up the troll!
I'm not blocking. Watch it, the troll will come out. Maybe
We're going to go down and talk to him.
Go down there and talk to him. Maybe he's eating. Jump.
Yeah, she'll hold up for another year at least. Alright, well, let's go inspect a few shortcuts for the tow trucks. and then we'll check back with Scuba and see how he's doing. Well, remember that obstacle minimum maintenance that we looked at before? Well, this isn't quite an after. They aren't done yet, but here's what's going on. Well, there it is, guys. Looks like they're all done with minimum maintenance. We'll see if we can get a little bit closer look here. Well, looks like some people are going to have fun on this one. Well, thanks for watching BSF Recovery Team. And if you're joining us for Memorial Weekend, have fun. And maybe we'll see you in the woods.